Hey bro, I smuggled some things in my booty.
Oh, nice. What'd you bring?
In case we crash in the water and we have to fit in.
Okay, what else did you bring?
Illegal explosives.
For what?
Just so I have something to blow this explosive up with.
Did you bring anything safe?
This button that causes turbulence.
Turn that off! Turn it off!
And last but not least, this water bottle.
No water bottles!
No way, a free dollar?
No way! $156 just sitting there?
Dude, the Simpsons game is incredible.
Oh, how did you get in my house?